party is the only party that is different from others. People have come to believe in the party, and for us, we are going to continue to develop the party. We are going to build it.
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Gentlemen, I have the singular honor of introducing to you the authentic and only national chairman of Nigeria.
Please, let's be seated, but I would have preferred that we occupy the front seats so that those who are coming will take the back seats. I appreciate the numerous contributions, financial contribution in terms of materials, and all sorts of support that you give to us. I've always said that for those of you in diaspora, most of you are the breadwinners of your families back at home. And because you are the breadwinners of your family, they say, he who plays the piper dictates the tune. As I speak with you now, out of your efforts and your contribution today, we have a governor who is already sitting in Abure State. Yes. We have 8 senators in the Senate, and we have 35 House of Rep members. We equally have a lot of members in the state houses of our assembly across the country. In the presidential election for the first time, we won 12 states after they have rigged all the results, after they have manipulated it. We still were able to win 12 states, and PDP equally won 12. The ruling APC won 13. All this, your hard work, your gesture, by the grace of God, when we take over very soon, you will see the dividend of democracy. So I thank you and God bless you.
Send to some of our elected officials. Yes, sir.
You're welcome to the DMV area.
Already.